Now that you have made the decision to apply to Big Creative Education College, here is a video that will guide you through our application process. So the first page is a landing page that will show you the 4 easy steps that you would need to take in order to make an application with us. The first step is giving us your personal details and your emergency contact details. The second step is telling us about your education history, your previous or current school or college, whether you have any learning difficulties, your predicted or current grades, and the course that you would like to study with us. The second step is telling us about your motivation for applying for this course, so why you have applied and your strengths and your weaknesses. And further down, we would encourage you to either choose option 1, which is uploading your creative work. And if you don't have any creative work, you can record a 2-minute self-tape on your mobile phone answering the following questions. Option 2, you can request for an interview with a member of our curriculum or admissions team. And if you are unable to choose option 1 or option 2 at this time, please click option 3. The third step is uploading your creative work or your self-tape and a school report if you have one available. And then finally, you have made your application to Big Creative Education College. A member of our admissions team will be in touch with you with the next steps within 3 working days. And in the meantime, please check out our social media pages and find out what we have been getting up to at Big Creative Education College. Good luck.